Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group F4 in Intelligent System class for semester 2. We are doing the project on course recommendation based on personality test. Our group members consist of 5 persons: Nurul Najihah binti Abdul Razak, Rina Pradu, Nur Syahirah binti Suhaimi, Salmi Ruzia Hanim binti Abdul Hamid, and me, myself, Muhammad Syukri Faiz bin Muhammad Nasir. Our project is using Azure as the platform in order to analyze data and give the predictions for the recommended course based on the personality test of a person. We decided to choose this topic because we want to help the students to decide what is the best course for their preference and hoping that they will excel in their studies. At the beginning of our project, we already decided 3 main objectives that we want to achieve after completing this project. The first is to help the student identify their suitable courses based on their personality and interests. Second, to guide students for their future planning. And the third is to boost up the students' confidence in their interested course.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group F4. My name is Nur Syahirah binti Suhaimi. So our group have done research on course recommendations based on personality. For data collection, we have done survey using the Google form that we spread through various medias such as WhatsApp and Facebook to our target user, which is IIUM student. So our survey is to identify the course that suits the student, whether it is arts or science. We already collect 87 responses and we select all of them. There is 87 responses. So our survey, our Google form has 4 sections, which is student information, preference, experience, and personal. So some of the attribute is that gender, age, kuliah, level of study, citizenship. And for the preference, we did ask about if she or he like to teach others to make sure they understand the subject. We asked if she or he like to start a new company. Okay, example for experience, we ask whether the respondent ever take part in any performance. Did the respondent have experience in talking in front of the audience? And did respondent have ever take part in science project or programming competitions? So for personnel, we did ask if he or she love to explore things by his own, or he or she love doing maths and calculations, or he or she do not mind being a center of attention. Okay. So next we will go to experiments by using the Microsoft Azure.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Salmi Ruzia Hanim binti Abdul Hamid, metric number 1522622. So today I'll be presenting about the training experiment for our project, course recommendation project. So firstly, we will select the data from course recommendation based on personality test, which is in digit version. We have converted it. So this actually we obtain the data sets we obtained from the survey that we had done among the IIUM students. And then we select columns in data set, which we exclude all the columns, that is timestamp, gender, age, level of study, and also the citizenship. And now I will display you all the details that we have we have obtained from the survey, which is the gender, age, kuliah, level of studies, citizenship, and also along with the questions as well. So the question consists of arts questions and also the science questions, which we already asked. And the kuliah, we change it into 1 and 0, which means that 1 representing arts courses and 0 for science courses. And then we clean the missing data. And the next step, we split the data. For the fraction of row, we make it as 0.8. And basically in our project, we are using 2-class neural network. And then we train model. Okay, for train model, we select any columns. It can be selected for any columns, but in our case, we select the question number 15, which I have strong belief in my arguments. So this question is actually more than make the students into arts stream. So, which is, if the students answer the questions based on the rate that we have gained from 1 to 5, if the rate is more than half, then it means that the student is turned to the arts courses. And then we go to the score model and we evaluate the model. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Habibullah Razak, AzureML 1616062. So I'm going to continue the previous explanation on the training experiment, and now we'll move on to predictive experiment. So here first we have the course recommendation dataset. Just like the training experiment dataset, we use the same dataset. And then we select column in dataset. These are the columns that to be excluded from the dataset. Here we have clean missing data, and then the output of the column dataset and the output of the clean missing data is applied in the applied transformation. And the output of the applied transformation is used as the input for the score model. Here is the course recommendation of the training experiment. This is a train model. Score model is used to predict the score. It is used as the prediction. And then we choose one of the column of the questions in the data set to predict the score model. And then after that, we can deploy the predictive experiment. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tarina Fatul. My metric is 2, 8, and today I will show you experiment for predictive test based on our project. Let's see how the demonstration works. Okay. For this test, we have to predict the data. So here for 0 we will be using size. If your like SCT size. So for the axis we representative 1 for art. Okay, ICT and for 0 for science. Of study 2. Basic international. Okay, for this question, we predict by using 5 methods. Would you like to teach others to make sure that they understand the subject? It's like it. Or would you like to stay at new company which you dislike? Question number 2. Would you like to design for a system if you hate it? Reason 1. Would you like to help others in need for medical aid. If you like it, or again, have you ever taken part in any performance? If you're not sure, recently, have you experienced talking in front of audience? If you used to talk in front of, I love it. 5. Have you ever take part in science project? If you dislike, 2. If have you experienced programming computation? If you never, take 1. I love to explore things by my own. 4 person like it. I love doing mathematics and calculation. I love it. Number 5. For I don't mind being a center of attention. I like it. Number 4. I spend most of my time drawing and scripting. I dislike. Number 2. I spend my free time doing research. I hate it. Number 1. I love to create new things from a used thing. Sure. I have strong belief in my argument. If you like. Number 4. I love to watch National Geographic Channel on National 3. So we will next see the result of this. Okay. This test we will show will be this or will represent that we inserted just now. For 0 for the kuliah in science, this for the level of study, this one for citizenship, and for all of this number, the question that you using 5 Likert scale. This is for the result will show accuracy of experimented. So for test experimented